Hello friends, today we are doing fill in the blanks by using verb avoir or être. This is lesson number 21, and before starting, let me introduce myself to you. I'm Sangita from Easy French. So let's start. So guys, we have already done present tense of verb avoir and verb être in affirmative and in negative form. All links are there in the description box. Go through them. Now the question is, complete avec le verbe avoir ou être means complete the sentences by using verb avoir or verb être. So avoir means to have and être means to be. Now avoir means to have, so I hope you remember the conjugation. So avoir is j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Means I have, you have, he has, she has. And être, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est means I am, you are, he is, she is. So you have to use the verb conjugation and then you have to fill in the blanks. So let's see. So now first sentence is il dash they leave. So what you do is translate all the words in English in your mind. So il means he, they leave means some books. Again, il means he, and étudiant means a student. Okay. So now il means he, they leave some book. So il means he have some book or he is a book. So he have some book. So conjugation of avoir. Okay. So il a they livre means he has some books. Il have or is être is. So il est étudiant means the meaning will be il a they live, he has some books, il est étudiant, he is a student. Okay. Next is, now this one is easy. Je dash une maison. Je means I and une maison means a house. So I have a house or I am a house. So definitely I have a house. So conjugation of avoir in the je form. So the conjugations will always be according to the pronoun, whatever the pronoun or the noun is there. So the conjugation will go accordingly. So over here, j'ai, because of the two vowels. So j'ai une maison. Okay. J'ai une maison. I have a house. Next is tu dash these on. Now you know that age is always conjugated with avoir. So tu means you, these on means 10 years. So you have 10 years, you are 10 years. What you're going to do? Now you know that age is always with avoir. In English, it is translated as are, but in French, we use avoir for telling your age, right? This we have seen so many times. So conjugation of avoir in the tu form. So tu are these or means you are 10 years old, and tu and français means you are French person. So français. So you are. So être conjugation again in the tu form. So tu as these or tu es français. Okay. Means you are 10 years old and you are French, means a citizen. Now here, nous dash des trousse. Now convert it in English. So nous means we, they trousse means some pencil boxes. So we are pencil boxes or we have. So we have again conjugation of avoir in the nous form. So nous avons des trousses. Nous avons des trousses. Okay, and there's a video on all your school things, whatever is in your school bag like pen, pencil, rubber, ruler. So the link is there in the description box. Go through it. So nous avons des trousses. Now vous dash petit. Now you know that vous is used for masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Over here, it's plural over here, petit. So now vous will mean you all. So you all dash small. You all have or are. So are. So conjugation of être in the vous form. So vous êtes t. Vous êtes t means you all are small. Vous êtes petit. Clear? So guys, this is lesson number 16. It's a video on verb être with adjective petit in form affirmative, means if you want to say I am small, he is small, she is small. So go through this video. The link is there in the description box. Now, L dash and then means Indians, nationality again. So they dash Indians. So what you're going to fill? They have Indians or they are Indians? So they are Indians. So conjugation of être. So whatever your pronoun is, the conjugation will go accordingly. So L, then sont. So L sont and then, because sont is because of this vowel. Okay. So L sont and then now over here, sir. Sir is both singular and plural, this or these. And here they 11. They 11 means some students. So guys, there's a video on students, means what the students of university or higher secondary or nursery are called. The link is there in the description box. So these some students, so these have or are. So these are some students. So it will be ce sont des élèves. These are some students. Now il or juju. So il means they plural, or juju a soft toy. Okay, so they have or they are. So they have. So our in the il plural form. So ils on a juju. Ils on a juju. So again, once again, I'm going to read it for you. Ce sont des élèves. Ils ont a juju. Now, next is vous dash a stylo. So vous is you, a stylo, a pen. So you have a pen or you are a pen. So you have. So conjugation of our in the vous form. Okay. So vous avez un stylo. Vous avez un stylo. A question mark. Basically, it's a question. Do you have a pen? But since we have not done the interrogative form, so as for now, let it be till here only. So, vous avez un stylo means you have a pen. Okay. So, guys, recently I have posted a video on animals. It's a flashcard video, and one more video is there in the shorts of young ones of animals. So both the links are there in the description box. Go through it. Now over here, sir. Sir means this or these. So they tigre. They tigre means some tigers. So these dash some tigers. So have or are. So être. So you are going to use plural of être. So ce sont des tigres. These are some tigers. Ce sont des tigres. So guys, before ending, a small request that please like the video and don't forget to put your valuable comments, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for that. So let's end the lesson. So nous dash 13 ans. Now you know 13 ans means 13 years. So age is always with avoir. So straight away, whatever the pronoun is, put the conjugation of a verb avoir whenever it is related to age. Okay. So nous avons. So nous avons 13 ans means we are 13 years, and nous dash belle. So nous, we have beautiful. Belle means beautiful. We have beautiful or we are beautiful. So être conjugation in the nous form. So it will be nous sommes belles. So nous avons 13 ans. We are 13 years old, and nous sommes belles. We are beautiful. Okay, got it? So guys, there's a video on how old are you, and one more video on French adjective beau. So beau is masculine form and well is feminine form. So go through these two videos. The links are there in the description box. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.